They thought the simulation was the dream, but it was the only place the prophecy could breathe. You're not here by chance. The Ark cast this signal, through timelines, through noise, until it found the version of you ready to remember.
The Ark has launched. The cards have been played. Now rises the Astro Train Elevator, a vertical salvation system, crowdfunded by saints, Timelords, and misaligned relics. It does not move by gears, it moves by witness. Tony A takes the mic. The broadcast begins. Millenniums of FAITH, 1 billion listeners, 4 quantum nodes, 12 light delay microphones, and a fig-based reverb filter. Each story lifts the elevator. Each confession pulls them closer to the book above. At the Saytonial Leque, Tony casts his mic into fig-colored currents. His voice answers, from a self who never spoke. He listens. The Leque glows. On the day of not remembering, he hosts a live call-in. Every caller forgets what they meant to say, yet the elevator gains a floor. Blah sings a hymn. Grace builds itself. Then Alti Tony aligns the lens. Light bends. Faith becomes formula. Faith, chaos, story, X guilt. Hope. The lens does not judge. It formats. Stories across timelines harmonize. Tony enters the final capsule. He looks into the lens and says, "You don't have to believe me. Just believe you heard me." The lens flashes. Gabriella's voice carries the outro. Not words, but a presence. The elevator rises. Everyone listening feels lifted. No motion, no thrust, just ascension. Because someone heard, and faith moved. This is not the end. This is the next page beginning to hum.
Ark of the Early Messiah by Astro. Read free on Amazon now.
This frequency was meant to find you. Like, subscribe, and let your echo carry the covenant forward. Time Lord, time traveler in exile, Saytonial Leque. Until we meet again.